straight into it. So here I've got my main isolation valve and my master solenoid coming from my water source with my water mains at my house. Just showing where I want the solenoid manifold to go. Gather your parts. I generally do it in a cleaner area rather than in the dirt. Get your tools ready. Here I've got my primer, glue, pipe cutters, etc. Now that you've got it all together, get your solenoids and work out the spacings to fit inside your solenoid boxes. For this one, I've got 3 inside one large solenoid box and 1 small one at the end of the manifold. So I want to cut my pipe to length, but I want to make sure they all fit inside my solenoid box and there's enough room between each to work on it if I need to clean them out or change them in the future. Cut your pipe to length, once measured. Do that for all of them. Pre-cut all your pipe. Now clean out all your fittings and pipe if they're dirty and got any grime on them to make sure it's clean. Grab your reticulation primer or pipe PVC primer. Get from any hardware store. Prime both inside the fittings and outside the pipe, making sure there's good coverage on both. Do that to all of them, or as you go if you like. I also do the solenoid. Here I'm just showing the flow of the solenoid and which way it works and how it opens, making sure the arrows go from in to out from the water source out to your stations, making sure you get that direction correct. Otherwise your solenoid will not work. Glue all your fittings to your readied pipe. Doing the same as you primed, both getting a good coverage on fitting and pipe. Now push in your pipe into your fitting, giving it a small twist and hold. If it pulls back out, push it back in and hold it until it doesn't come out and it's got a good grab. Now do that to all your fittings, making sure they're all in alignment so it sits flat. Here I'm just working out the spacings for the pipe in between the solenoid and the manifold to make sure it still fits in the valve box. Now that I've glued them in, I'm going to glue in my solenoids to my manifold. Making sure you get the arrow in the right direction for the water to flow out. Get them all lined up. Now that I've got the manifold made together, I'm going to mark out my valve box where my pipes come in and out of it. So once it's pushed in the ground, it sits level and it doesn't have any pressure on the pipe itself. Check it all fits, do a dry test run. This all works well. Now take all your gear over to where you're putting in your manifold from the water source and mark out where you want to dig in your manifold. Sometimes you pre-dig the hole and then build the manifold around it on site. See, in the manifolds I've put in some rags just to keep it clean, to keep out sand, as it's very important to keep your solenoids clear of dirt. Glue in your manifold to your water source, then place in your valve boxes. Now you're ready to dig out and trench your retic station lines and add in your wire from your controllers to your solenoids to liven it up.